We've got a bike in the shop, and it's the old get ready for the season checkover. So you do the usual things. We're gonna look at this chain, and in fact, it is not so good. This thing, we have too much play in it, need a new chain, we'll make note of that. But the shifting still is really nice. It's that electronic stuff. Boy, is that fun. Push the button, it goes up, down, I love it. Stop. And a weird noise. Did we hear that? One more time. And a little bit of extra motion. What's that all about? What's going on? I hit the brake? That's not good. If the rear's bad, how about the front? I don't know. What's that all about? That is not an extra shock. We've got some problems here. Let's get this thing out and have a look on the WH1. What I think we have here is the old story, and you're gonna see it. Down inside, we got a ring. That's our rotor lock ring. I'm gonna take these wrenches here. I'm gonna turn, wait a minute. This ring was either not tight or I have the strongest fingers in the world. This was simply not tight. But let's have a look now that we're inside. This ring is on top of the rotor. This rotor is actually, it's a 6-bolt rotor. This one is on a center lock hub. Center lock hub, in this case, we have an adapter. It fits over the center lock. 6 studs fit inside here. And then on top goes the rotor lock ring, which actually has a torque value, 40 nms. 40 nms is 40 Newton meter. That's pretty tight. What happened? This person didn't vibrate on gravel road. They didn't loosen because they were so mighty. Well, maybe they're mighty, but simply this. That came loose because there wasn't enough pressure. You keep it tight, it creates that pressure inside that force. It keeps it from loosening, keeps this from moving, and everything's happy. That's the old story. It came loose. We can say, with some clarity and certainty, it wasn't properly tight to begin with. Not rocket science, but it also is rocket science at the same time. So we're gonna run that down, and we're gonna go to 40. I'm not gonna go to 40, I'm gonna go lower. I'm gonna try to feel with the hand wrench what that would be. So here I've got the socket style. I'm gonna put a hand there to keep it down. I'm gonna run this baby up. We are at 30, we are almost as much as I want. Just shy, I'm not gonna go the whole thing because I wanna know what that feels like. So here, keep that on there. I'm gonna give that a, that's pretty good. You bet. So that's the perceived effort. Now I have a sense of it. You get it on, okay? So we're tight. Now it can go back on the bike, pressure from the brake, it's gonna stay tight, everything's gonna be happy. It's gonna be a good riding season for this rider. Hey, video guys, wait a minute. We're not done. This has got headset play. Head over to the Park Tool video channel, repair help section, search for headset adjustment, learn how to help this rider and yourself. Now we're done.